Welcome to MathScap channel. Today we are going to learn perimeter of the compound shapes. Now you can see different compound shapes. Compound shapes are the shapes that are made up of two or more than two different shapes or similar shapes. Now the first question. We have a shape over here. So first we have to decompose this shape. Decompose means we have to dissect the shape. We have to find out that how many shapes are basically joined together to form the shape. So you can easily see we have the first part, the top part of this shape. You can see we have a semicircle and this bottom part is a rectangle. Property of rectangle is the opposite side will always be same. So that means this is a 10. So this is going to be 10 centimeter. So 10 meter. And as we have to calculate the perimeter, so in perimeter we have to find out the outermost boundary. That's it. We don't have to deal with the or inner line. We have to see only the outermost boundary. So in this question we have to, so I'm just overwriting here. We have to find out these lengths. So here I'm using different color for the different shape. So one now we have these two shapes. So means we have to find out the lengths of this shape of these lines, then we have to add them. Now perimeter for this shape, what we have to find out, we have to find out the this chord is arc length. Then we have to find out these lengths. We have already have that these are 10, 10, then 8. So now the arc length. Arc length, we know the rule for the arc length, which is pi times d. As this is arc means we are not dealing with the complete circle. We have to see that what part of circle do we have in this question. You can see this is the semicircle, means the rule has also be we have to halve it. So plus 28. So for this one we have to find out the diameter. So diameter is basically opposite side of this rectangle. Here this is a diameter which is 8. It's pi times 8 divided by 2 plus 28 times 8 equals divided by 2, which is equal to 4 pi. When we have to add in this one, our next number is 28. So this will become 40 point. So perimeter for this shape is going to be 40.566. As we have to round this question to 3dp, 40.566 meter. Now let's see the second question. In second question we have a compound shape. We can see easily that this compound shape is made up of circle and the rectangle. So for perimeter we have to find out the outermost boundary. So we have this boundary, we have to calculate this boundary. We have this one, we have this one, we have to find out this one, and we have to find out this one, we have to find out this one. We already have this one, we already have this one. So first of all we have to find out all these sides, then we have to just add them. This will give us the perimeter. So first of all we are going to see the easiest one. We are going to use the rectangle property. So this is a 4. So that means the opposite side is also going to be 4. Now afterwards, if you look here, the complete length from here to here is 14, as it is mentioned here. So that means the opposite side, this side, complete side will also be 14. Now we can find this part easily. So we know that from this point to this point, we have this length is 5 centimeter, but and complete is 14. Complete length is 14. 14 minus 5 is going to be 9 centimeter. So this length is going to be 9 centimeter, and that's it. Okay now. So we have find out all the straight sides. Now the arc sides. We have two arcs. So let's call this one arc A. Let's call this one arc B. Perimeter for this shape will be 5. I'm starting from this point. 5 plus arc A plus 6 plus 4 plus 9 plus this length. Okay, I'm just naming it as M now because we need to discuss this part. So plus M plus arc B plus 3 plus 4. These are the complete sides of this shape whose perimeter we have to calculate. So just we are going to collect the like terms. Here we have 5, 6, 4, 9, 3, 4. These are the like terms. We are going to add them. So we have 31 plus arc A plus M plus arc B. Now let's find out these missing values. We have to just values. So arc A, you can see arc A is the part of a semicircle, and the rule for semicircle is pi times d divided by 2. And we'll discuss M later. First arc P. So arc P, you can see this is a part of quarter of a circle. So that means the rule for this one is going to be pi times d. Quarter means divided by 4. Now 31 will remain as it's. Now let's find out the M. So if you look very carefully, this M is basically, if you look here, so we have this a quarter circle. So we in previous video we have discussed this part is as radius. If you complete this one, so you will get a complete circle like this one. So this part is radius. So that means this part is also going to be radius. And so in a circle, all radius will be same as they are of same circle. So that means if this is 5, so this M is going to be 5 as well. So I'm just completing this one. Now we have done more than 80% question. We have to find out the missing arc lengths. So I'm going to collect the like them again. So 31 and 5, they are like them. I'm adding them. So 31 plus 5 is going to be 36 plus, so diameter for this is, now this is a diameter for, so complete length from here to here is 14, as we know this one. So we already have 5 and 6, which is 11. So what is the remaining part from 14? So it is 3. That means this length diameter is 3. Now pi times this second arc, which is RP. So here this 5 is the radius and diameter is double of radius. So pi times 5 divided by 4. Now just solve it. Pi times 3 divided by 2. So this arc length is 4.36. So the answer is 4.712 to round our answer to 3 dp. So we will keep few dps more in our working answer. So I'm going to keep 2 dp more. So 4.712239. So I will round to this one to 5 dps plus. So second, find out the second arc length. Now this is the answer for this arc P, which is
7.8540.
we have to just add all of these to get our perimeter of the shape. So perimeter of the shape is going to be
48.566 centimeter. This is how we
find out the perimeter of any compound shape. First you have to decompose the shape, means you have to find out that how many shapes are joined together to form that shape. Then we have to find out all the boundary lengths, either it is a straight length or in curve one. Then you have to add them. So I hope you have understood. Take care. Bye bye.